if you want to clean a charging port or the USB-C port on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, definitely you want to avoid causing permanent damage to that port. And that damage can be done by using tools that should not be used at all for cleaning purposes, such as sharp metal objects like knives, safety pins, or even paper clips. You should use soft tools or tools that are specifically dedicated for cleaning purposes of those ports in order to do that safely. So in order to safely clean your charging port with household items, you can for instance use a cotton swab or a toothpick, which are most of the time soft and can fit into small spaces, and they are less likely to cause some damage to the charging port. Now ideally you want to, like I said, use a dedicated cleaning item, like for instance a compressed air or bulb syringe that can just blow the air out of that tool in order to clean the debris or dust or anything else that can be located inside the port. But if you need to dig out something, then essentially you want to ideally use a cotton swab or just a tiny toothpick with lots of carefulness. You definitely don't want to destroy something by accident. Do not use toothbrushes or avoid blowing on the port with your mouth because, well, in the case of blowing, your breath contains water particles and that can add moisture to the port, and this can damage the USB-C port, and as a result you might not be able to charge your device at some point. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!